When you have a game plan, the game's easy. When you don't, it's nearly impossible to beat. The key is knowing what skills you need to succeed. Most people, myself included, want to be good at everything, but the truth is we all have different talents. Desperately trying to be good at everything is like trying to play every role in an RPG. You'll quickly realize that there are too many things for one person to do. You can't be the tank, the rogue, the healer, and the mage all at once. So lean into your strengths and build a life around what really inspires you. That being said, if you improve at these 5 different talent trees over the next few years, your life will be infinitely better. So what are the top 5 skills that you need to improve your life? Here's a hint, I suppose. They all start with an S. Number 1, self-awareness. Number 2, self-discipline. Number 3, stress management. Number 4, social skills. And 5, savvy. So let's unpack them. Number 1, self-awareness. Know yourself, know what drives you, and you can make decisions that align most with what matters to you. Take notes, journal, learn your patterns, and check out this video over here to get started in learning your character class. Number 2, self-discipline. If you want something but you don't have self-discipline to see it through, it's not going to happen. You must be able to resist temptation and overcome procrastination in order to get anywhere in life. Success doesn't just happen. It takes grit and passion. You can click here to learn how. Number 3, stress management. Stress is inevitable, but learning how to manage it can make all the difference in your overall happiness, your health, and well-being. Normal stuff like grounding and breathing exercises goes a long way too. Learning about neuroplasticity also helps you get quickly out of these repeated thought loops and stressors. Also, each personality type has a hack to relieving stress as well. Basically, your secondary strength is a place of massive growth, but it's really taxing. And in order to take a break from that, you can hop over to its opposite. So for someone like me who's an innovator, doing something nostalgic kind of lets my brain recover. Number 4, social skills. People who are socially well adjusted are better able to connect with others and form relationships. And this has a huge impact in every area of your life. You're less likely to get depressed, and you're more likely to be engaged in other activities and exercise and have strong support groups. Better social skills helps you to be better professionally in a lot of ways too, because you're better at networking, knowing when and whom to ask for help, and working in teams. My favorite hack for social skills is to just get really curious about the other person. You can also check out this video over here for more help. Number 5, savvy. Savvy is the ability to realize what's going on in a situation and how to respond in a way that gets you and the other person a win-win outcome. So you see, like, each time we interact with the world and new challenges and obstacles pop up, right? Whether we overcome them or not, we get XP. And through XP, we become stronger and wiser. And then we can learn that we can cope and acclimate to the world around us, which builds resilience and confidence in our ability to face whatever comes our way. So in other words, like in life and in gaming, experience is everything. So go throw yourself into a bunch of awkward experiences. That's what I did when I first moved to Japan 17 years ago. And if you got any benefit from this, please subscribe and follow, turn on notifications so you won't miss any more amazing episodes. Keep up the lifelong questing. Good luck, have fun. Peace.